handheld devices during takeoff, but laptops and other large devices need to be put away until we are in the air. Devices without flight mode cannot be used at any time throughout the flight. Those customers travelling in a premium economy cabin today, please keep the small pocket below your screen empty for takeoff. Then all cords and cables from seat backs for takeoff and entertainment screens now stowed. Please ensure that your seatbelt or sash belt is firmly fastened and that your seat back is upright. Tray tables, bassinets and footrests must now be stowed and window shades open.
Welcome to my magic place, Litchfield National Park, just outside of Darwin. We all have a place that fills our heart and makes us feel safe. Give us your attention for the next few minutes and we'll keep you safe on this flight as we journey to the magic places of regular Aussies all around Australia and the world. Welcome to Qantas.
Today, I'm flying on an Airbus H125 helicopter. And you're in a Qantas Airbus A380.
Fasten your seatbelt by inserting the clasp into the buckle and tighten by pulling the strap. If your seat is fitted with a sash belt, ensure it's in place for takeoff and landing. You can undo your seatbelt by pressing the button or lifting the flap. Keep it done up low and tight during takeoff, landing, and whenever the seatbelt sign is on. This includes infants and children. While seated at other times, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened.
You'll find your life jacket under your seat, next to it, or in the leg rest. Remove your life jacket from the pouch by pulling the tab. Put it over your head, pass the strap around your waist, clip at the front, then tighten. There's a red tag and mouthpiece for inflation, and a whistle and light. And remember, only inflate your life jacket after you leave the aircraft.
Masks help us swim with the magnificent whale sharks of Ningaloo Reef, and you have masks on board too. If oxygen is required, a mask will drop from above. Pull down firmly to activate the oxygen. Put it on quickly and tighten the strap. Oxygen will flow without the bag inflating. Fix your own mask first and then help others.
In the unlikely event of an emergency, you should be familiar with the brace position appropriate to your seat. If you can reach the seat in front, brace by placing your forehead on the back of the seat, hold your lower legs, or put your hands on your knees. If you're seated behind the bulkhead and you can't reach the seat in front, lean as far forward as you can and hold on to your lower legs. If you are seated from rows 31 to 40 in premium economy or in a seat with a sash belt, sit upright, place your hands on your legs and bring your chin to your chest.
Take a moment to locate your exit as the cabin crew point them out. It might be behind you. To remember your nearest exit, count the rows between you and that exit.
Lights will guide you to your exits. Your crew members are pointing them out now. Please help us to create a safe, respectful and positive environment for everyone on board. Before you get underway, make sure all your bags are in the overhead locker or under the seat in front of you.
Your aircraft is fitted with escape slides and life rafts, which the crew will operate in an emergency. If you need to evacuate, leave all items behind. Slide, leaning forward with your hands on your knees.
Smoking isn't allowed on Qantas flights. Your aircraft is fitted with smoke detectors, including in the toilets, so there's no smoking until you're back on the ground. This includes e-cigarettes and vapes. Device, it's time to switch it to flight mode. If you lose your phone or other device, please avoid moving your seat or trying to retrieve it, as phones and tablets can get damaged or destroyed if they get caught in the seat mechanism. Just ask a crew member for help.
Your Qantas magazine is located in your seat pocket. It contains a health and safety section with important information on deep vein thrombosis or DVT.
time to get ready for takeoff. Ensure that your seat back is upright and your tray table is stowed. If you're in business, return your seat to the upright or preset recline position and unplug any headsets or cables attached to the seat in front. And if you've missed anything, it's on your safety card, also in your seat pocket. And remember, your crew are here to help, so please follow their instructions at all times.
Wherever you're flying to today, and for whatever reason, we hope your trip is a safe one. And we hope you get to your magic place again really soon. Thank you for choosing to fly Qantas.